Hi guys, welcome back. A little bonus video today. I've just literally 5 minutes ago walked through the door and found this. Left with your neighbour at number 3. So I just dropped my bag of my keys and excitedly ran to number 3. And here it is. I've got to be careful. My address is on there. The return address is on there. There you go. Fragile, handle with care. There you go. I think I know what this is. But I want to do an unboxing. So I'll go and get a knife, eh? There you go. I've got a knife. I've lost my Bear Grylls one. So we'll use that one from the kitchen, pink, to make the boys wink. Okay, here you go. Like I said, when I see the unboxing, I think I know what it is. There's always a story to tell, isn't there? Wait till you hear this, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. There it is. Yeah, wow. Very well packaged. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the person that sent it. Very kind, very generous. And check this out, guys. Edwin Jagger 316. Now, I waited 2 years to find an Edwin Jagger. Well, a year to find an Ed. By the time I had the money, they'd sold out. Nobody was selling them. Couldn't get one for love nor money. Bought a blue one on eBay, bargain last week. And look at this. The friend of the channel that sent me all that lovely Wickham soap and the lovely scuttle for warming the lather up and the 5 razors and so on. Well, he sent me this one now. Look at that, guys. An Edwin Jagger 316 in blue. Absolutely wonderful. So I'd like to thank him. I'll thank him privately, but I just wanted to thank him publicly. Now what I will do is, he said, John, he said, I watched your video and wouldn't you believe it? He said, I'd sent you a 316 in blue. Now this, he bought this and he used it and he cherished it and he loved it and he gave it to me. So that means something to me. Now the other one, excellent shaver, wonderful, but it doesn't mean anything to me. This one does. So this is the one I will keep. This is the one I will treasure. And the other one, I may do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, or I may gift it to somebody in need. I don't know. I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that. But the person did actually say, he said, I don't want it back. He said, you'll figure out what you want to do with that. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But this one, look, in a lovely box, and I'll put the feather blades back in it, and that will take pride of place in my shaving den. So thank you to that wonderful, kind person. Very generous, very kind. He's been a wonderful friend to the channel, in comments and likes and conversations and advice and tips and helps, and of course physically with all the wonderful stuff he's sent me. So just a quick unboxing to say thank you to him, thank you to you guys. Look at this, 316. How much of a coincidence is that? Waits all that time trawling the internet for well over a year, pretty much on a daily basis, trying to get one of these in blue. And then I buy one, and a couple of days later somebody sends me one. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful week. I'm going to go now, and what am I going to do? I'm going to prepare the thumbnail for the Saturday shave. You all excited? Is that a hint? No, it's just Samantha. She was bored. I said, look, sit on the shelf and I'll see you later. Bye.